President Bola Tinubu is the only president to remember Igbo after 54 years. Deputy Speaker Kalu, Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu, recently praised President Bola Tinubu for his commitment to the Igbo people, particularly through the creation of the South-East Development Commission (SEDC). Kalu noted that Tinubu is the first president to remember the Igbo people after 54 years, specifically highlighting the promise of reconstruction, reconciliation, and rehabilitation made to the Igbo people. Join me as I dive into the numbers and challenge myself to find out which Nigerian leader appointed the most Igbos to key positions. The topic of political appointments in Nigeria is always a contentious one, and when you narrow it down to the representation of a specific ethnic group like the Igbo, it becomes even more intriguing. Looking back at Nigeria's political history, the Igbo have played a significant role from the pre-independence era to the present day. Their strategic location in the southeastern part of the country, which is rich in natural resources, has made them a crucial factor in the nation's economic development. However, their representation in Nigerian politics has been a subject of controversy, with some arguing that they have been marginalized and excluded from key positions. Historical events like the Biafran Civil War and the subsequent marginalization of the Igbo have contributed to this perceived imbalance. The representation of the Igbo in Nigerian politics is not just about numbers, it's about the implications for national unity and ethnic balance. A balanced representation of all ethnic groups in key positions is essential for fostering a sense of belonging and national identity. When a particular group feels excluded, it can lead to discontent and social unrest. Therefore, understanding the dynamics of Igbo representation in Nigerian politics is crucial for promoting peace and stability in the country. In recent times, there have been efforts to promote national unity and reconciliation, including the establishment of institutions like the National Orientation Agency and the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs. However, more needs to be done to address the perceived imbalance in the representation of the Igbo in Nigerian politics. Moving on to the presidents, from Obasanjo to Yar'Adua, Jonathan, Buhari, and Tinubu, each of them has had their own approach to appointing Igbos to key positions. While some have been accused of marginalizing the Igbo, others have been praised for their efforts to promote national unity and inclusivity. Between 1999 and 2007, President Obasanjo appointed several Igbos to key positions, including ministers, ambassadors, and heads of parastatals. Notable among them was the appointment of Igbos to positions like the Minister of Finance, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and the Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. During Yar'Adua's administration, there was a significant increase in the number of Igbos appointed to key positions, particularly in the oil and gas sector. This was partly due to the president's efforts to address the issues of marginalization in the Niger Delta region. Jonathan's administration also saw a significant number of Igbo appointments, including the appointment of Igbos to positions like the Minister of Defense, Minister of Police Affairs, and the National Security Advisor. In Buhari's administration, there have been criticisms about the perceived marginalization of the Igbo, with some arguing that he has not done enough to promote national unity and inclusivity. However, a closer look at his appointments reveals that he has appointed several Igbos to key positions, including the Minister of Labour and Employment, Minister of Science and Technology, and the Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. Tinubu's influence on the political landscape in Nigeria cannot be overlooked, particularly in the southwest. While he has not held a political office, his role in shaping the political narrative in Nigeria has been significant. Looking at his track record, it is clear that he has been a strong advocate for national unity and inclusivity, often promoting the appointment of Igbos to key positions in his political party and other spheres of influence. Now, let's get to the numbers. After crunching the data, I was surprised to find out that one president stands out from the rest in terms of the number of Igbos appointed to key positions. The winner is President Jonathan. During his administration, he appointed the highest number of Igbos to key positions, including ministers, ambassadors, and heads of parastatals. President Jonathan's approach to appointments was guided by his desire to promote national unity and inclusivity. He believed that by giving opportunities to people from all ethnic backgrounds, He could foster a sense of belonging and promote peace in the country. The implications of President Jonathan's approach to appointments are far-reaching. It shows that with the right mindset and approach, it is possible to promote national unity and inclusivity in Nigeria. The Igbo community benefits from these appointments, but ultimately, the entire nation benefits from the promotion of national unity and peace. In conclusion, the representation of the Igbo in Nigerian politics is crucial for promoting national unity and peace. The numbers have shown that President Jonathan appointed the most Igbos to key positions, and this approach has had a positive impact on the nation. Thanks for watching. If you have any opinions on the significance of these appointments, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Nigerian politics, and I'll catch you in the next one.